Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a yakitori duck fillet with candied kumquat. It's very easy to do, so let's have a look at the ingredients we need. We got about 12 centiliters of soy sauce. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of a dry sake, 6 tablespoons of mirin, a Japanese sweet cooking wine, a pepper and salt mill, 1 tablespoon of raw cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, some baby tomatoes for the plating. We got our candied kumquats and of course our duck fillet. Let's get started. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, both sides of course. We're going to grate some of our kumquats and we're going to cut 1 or 2 in thin slices for the plating. Take a cold frying pan, place the duck fillet fat skin side down and put your burner on medium heat. And as you can see, the duck fat is coming out slowly to season your frying pan. After 4 or 5 minutes we're going to turn the duck fillet. We're going to lower the heat to the minimum. So this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, just the time to get a nice brown color on there. We're going to preserve our duck fillet. Use some paper towel to drain the fat. We're going to start to make our yakitori sauce. Start off with a cold frying pan, add the 12 centiliters of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of dry sake, 6 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of raw cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're going to start off on medium heat. And once the sauce starts to boil, we're going to lower the heat to the minimum and we're going to let our sauce reduce slowly. Once the sauce is reduced halfway, we're going to have a little taste test. I used a very salty soy sauce, so we're going to add a good tablespoon of honey to adjust the sweetness. We're going to add our grated kumquat. And we're going to put back our duck fillet, the skin on top. Put the lid on and we're going to sear the fillet in the sauce for about 4 to 5 minutes. Of course, it's up to you to decide if you want it rare, medium rare, or well done. Yakitori duck, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you want to support my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell. And all that's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.